Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 Mini and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now scroll through the quick panel and look for the icon that looks like the sun. This is the brightness icon, and if you want to adjust the brightness, tap on it and it will bring you to the brightness menu, and here, as you can see, by default the auto brightness will be enabled. And if you want to change the brightness manually, you will need to disable the auto brightness, and after you disable it, the brightness slider will open, or rather appear, my bad. And now you can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on